Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another chit chat get ready with me, but just like the last one I did, it's going to be doing my makeup while I talk about other things that maybe are related to makeup and skincare but also may not be. And I thought I would start this little series here where I just sit down and talk to you guys, because honestly it's kind of therapeutic for me and I love chatting with you guys and getting your guys' feedback. So yeah, I thought I would try this one more time and maybe potentially turn it into like a little series. I'm gonna be getting ready today. I do have a meeting to attend, so I'm gonna be creating this look and I have no idea what to call this series. So if you have any creative names for what I should call it, I don't want to go with something basic like Lav Chats or something like that. Chats with Lav, I don't know. If you think of something creative, please let me know and then maybe I'll use that name for this series. So yeah, if you want to sit with me, we're gonna be chatting about overworking yourself today and kind of what like burnout it feels like and stuff. I feel like a lot of us might be experiencing this as this pandemic has been like stretching on and things are just getting kind of crazy. So I want to kind of discuss that today and do my makeup while I'm chatting to you guys. So if you want to see all of that, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Gonna put my hair back. Start off with my brows. Let's get started. I know I took a bit of a break here, like I didn't post Sunday or Tuesday. And that was honestly just because I was so stressed with finals. But now I'm done. My spring semester, I took 13 courses this year, which was, I mean, I took that many last year too, but this year being all online was so, not just stressful, but like, I would say draining too, since I was just at home studying like every single day and you just lose your like routine, I guess, of going to school. So that was really kind of hard. But yeah, I'm really happy to be done, and now I can literally just focus on YouTube and social media like as a whole. I've been really getting into TikTok lately. I've been posting a ton on there recently and I definitely want to post even more. It's such a different platform in my eyes than YouTube. Man, I really need to do my eyebrows. That's a tomorrow issue. It's such a different platform than YouTube and I really like it because it's like, I feel like it's more personal in a way, just because it's not as big as a like production with like editing and stuff, and I can get content up super fast, and I love replying to your guys' questions like through videos. So definitely go check that out and like leave any questions you have and I'll definitely try my best to get to it. It's just really nice because I can connect with you guys, help you with your skincare. I know a few of you have like DM'd me on Instagram and it honestly makes my day when I get messages from you guys asking for advice or just wanting to chat. It's literally the best. But I want to do some really cool content here pretty soon, like a bunch of different skincare videos and all of that. I'm just so excited. A little bit stressed, I'm gonna be honest, but also really excited. I'm gonna be using my Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. I did a full review on this and honestly, it's still one of my faves. I'm just gonna go right in. We're gonna do some light makeup today, but still a little glam. Yeah, I've been in like a weird mood lately. I've been so like high stress that even thinking about like posting recently, I've been like, oh my gosh. But I definitely think getting back into things will help me too, because I always feel better when I post. I talked about this in my last like kind of chit chat video similar to this. So I definitely just want to get back into things, and especially with school, I find it's really hard to kind of split my focus, if that makes sense. And I'm pretty good at like time management and stuff, so I figure the brush just like broke off. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it because I need to finish my foundation. it's hard because, you know, obviously I want to do well in school. I've always been like a pretty good student and someone who studies really hard to get like good grades and everything. So I obviously want to devote my time to that. Now I'm going to go in with the Infallible foundation powder and use this kind of as my powder. But of course I also want to keep this going because I feel like this past year and a half-ish, I've really found like my happy place on YouTube, and I've always loved it, but I feel like this year, especially with skincare, I have found such a great community of people that I can really connect with, and it's honestly so amazing. And with that has come a lot more like opportunities and a lot more content that I can do, and I feel like I need to always be working to get this stuff out, but then I have 2 degrees that I'm also focusing on, so it's definitely a lot, and it can definitely build up, and I can let it get to me a lot of the times. And I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula bronzer. Just a really quick look today, but yeah, like I just feel like sometimes I feel like I need to always be 100% and always put my best work out, and if it's not my best, then it's not good enough. And some days I'll be so busy with school and I'm like, well, I have to post a video, so I need to do that. And some people will be like, well, just don't post tomorrow. But I feel like if I don't post one day, then it will just, I don't know, like it's such a weird thing to understand. But if you guys, you know, have stress or whatever, and I think everyone has their own things that we stress about, I think anyone watching this will understand. But I feel like it can get a lot sometimes, and it's so easy for stress to build up, and it's also so easy to like lose yourself in the stress. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty Nearly Mauve blush. You literally need the tiniest bit of this. And I think in these last few weeks, like I talked about losing my dog in the last video I posted, and I'm not gonna get into that right now, but I think that and finishing this school semester with finals and then all these like work related things with YouTube, it's just gotten like so crazy for me, and I feel like I always feel like I need to kind of put everything that I'm feeling like behind me and just kind of work through it and push through it, because I need to keep up my work, and not just with school but with YouTube. And sometimes, you know, you say that to yourself and you do all these things until you literally burn out, like burn out. And I'm sure a lot of you guys have experienced burnout before. It's very, you know, it happens, and it's very hard to like realize that you're burnt out, but it's also really hard to like get back from it. And I'm gonna highlight with the Milani Dolce Perla. And I feel like for me, I like get so stressed when I do feel like I'm getting burnt out that it just like causes me even more stress, and it just like literally, it's like an exponential function. Like it just like explodes on you. I want to do something a little bit pinky on the eyes. I'm gonna use my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna take like this pink, mix it with the orange shade a bit, and put it right in the crease. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now, and I'm kind of coming back from it. I do feel like still pretty stressed, but I feel like once I start getting like my schedule figured out with posting and stuff, it'll kind of get better. And I wanted to like film more of these kind of sit down talk videos, because after the last one I did, I felt so good, and I'm like, you know what, like I started YouTube to de-stress from school and have like an escape. Why am I not doing this more? But at the same time, you know, things add up, and even things you enjoy sometimes start to get stressful. I'm just taking some darker shades in the crease, and it's very easy to let yourself burn out. As I was saying, I was just putting too much pressure on myself, not even like too much on my schedule, but too much pressure as a whole, because I thought that if I didn't post one day, or if I didn't get this video perfect, or if I didn't ace this test, I was doing stuff wrong, which is not true at all. And I think in this time, especially now with losing my dog, like letting myself have some time to just heal instead of I think what I was trying to do almost was throw myself back into work and school, thinking that a distraction was best. And you know, for some people, like, it works. Everyone deals with everything differently. But for me, what it was doing, it was driving like myself to work every single day, when even if like I wasn't feeling it or whatever, especially right now. And after I had had my crazy day of work, everything would hit me over again. And I feel like I wasn't just letting myself have time to come to terms with this new change in my life and like understand it and just cope with it without bombarding myself with all this work and trying to make myself feel productive so that my mind is distracted. I feel like doing some glitter today. I'm gonna use the Sister Cosmetics Glow Glitter. I'm just gonna throw this on the lid. We're doing something super simple today. This is how I always transform my looks into a glam look when I'm like having to do a super quick look. That was a lot of looks in one sentence. But yeah, I'm sure you guys like understand, you know, what I'm talking about and stuff, but I think the hardest part for me was realizing I need to just slow down, take a breather, but at the same time I had these finals, so I couldn't just like drop everything and like disappear, right? Now I can just kind of take some time to focus on myself and YouTube and growing this community of people that I have, which is literally something I'm forever grateful for. And every single day when I film or when I post, it literally makes me so happy, even though some days it's obviously a little stressful because it's still work and whatever. But honestly, I am just like, words can't even describe how grateful I am for every single person that supports me. Every time I get a comment from one of you, my heart literally like explodes. You guys don't even know. I like always read your messages to like my mom or my brother. I'm like, look how amazing some people are. Again, like, thank you just for providing me with this space where I can just come and relax and talk about stuff. And that's why I wanted to start doing more of these talking videos, because I feel like, you know, I post so much and I've been posting for so long, but maybe for those of you who have been around longer, like, you know my skincare journey, you know my favorite makeup products, but you don't really know like me. And I think kind of incorporating that to my channel, since it is my channel and it is me and this is part of my life, I need to start like showcasing it and like kind of mushing it all back and just kind of talking about things more. For lips, I'm just gonna do a pink lip liner from Essence. And then I'm just gonna do a Milani lip gloss to call it a day. Super simple. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have to run real quick because I do have a meeting in like 5 minutes, so I just wanted to get ready with you guys while I kind of chatted about some stuff. So I really enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this and want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And also let me know down below in the comments what I should call this little chatty series. If you have any creative names, please let me know in the comments. But I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me